Hello everyone, and welcome to Lexiswap. Are you tired of boring textbooks and grammar rules that feel like hard work? We believe that a language is much more than just words in a book. It is a bridge to a new culture and a new way of living. In this video, we will show you how Lexiswap works. It is a simple but powerful idea. You help someone learn your language, and they help you learn theirs. On Lexiswap, you can share anything, not just stories, but your daily thoughts, your life, and any type of content you enjoy. Let's dive in and see how you can exchange your world. So, what exactly is Lexiswap? It is a social platform for people who want to master a language naturally. Think of it as a community, not a classroom. Instead of doing homework, you immerse yourself in real thoughts and daily life shared by others. This is how you grow. We believe the best way to learn a language is to live it. This is exactly how you learned your first language when you were a child. By moving away from memorizing lists and moving toward real content from real people, language stops being a task and starts being a social bridge to the world. Our concept is built on one simple idea: share what you know to learn what you don't. When you share your knowledge in your native language, you earn Lexicoins. You become the expert for others while you use those coins to explore new languages yourself. Lexiswap is organized into language spaces. Each space is for a specific language variety. For example, we have separate spaces for American English, British English, Peninsular Spanish, and many more. This ensures that the language you hear and read is exactly the variety you want to learn. To understand how this works, let's look at an example with Person A and Person B. They both have a native language to share, and they both have a new language they are excited to master. Once Person A and Person B join the platform, they become Lexiswappers. They are now active members of our global exchange community, where everyone teaches and everyone learns. Let's look at Lexiswapper A. They speak language A, but they want to learn language B. Because of this, the platform gives them two portfolios, one in the language A space to help others, and one in the language B space to practice. Lexiswapper B has the same setup. You can share any type of content, but there is one very important rule. You must respect the language space. As you can see in this example, when the content is in American English, it definitely doesn't belong in the Peninsular Spanish space. You also can't place it in the British English space. Naturally, the American English space is the correct home for it. Next up, if the content is in British English, you shouldn't share it in the Peninsular Spanish or American English spaces. It belongs strictly in the British English space. The exact same rule applies to content in Peninsular Spanish. You shouldn't put it in the American English space or the British English space. The Peninsular Spanish space is the only right choice. Another important thing to keep in mind is that content shared on Lexiswap always contains two parts. First, there's the text, and second, an actual voice recording of the user reading it aloud. This ensures high-quality practice and authentic pronunciation for everyone. Now, here is the best part. When Lexiswapper A shares their thoughts or daily life in their native language A space, they are rewarded with a Lexicoin. Lexiswapper B also earns coins the same way. By sharing content that helps others learn your language, you get rewarded with Lexicoins. Moving between languages is easy. You can use the language switcher to jump from one variety to another. It lets you jump quickly between the space where you are the expert and the space where you are the learner. Whenever Lexiswapper A wants to practice language B, they create content in that space. Since they are the learner now, the platform takes some Lexicoins from them. This creates a fair cycle where sharing your knowledge pays for your education. The exact same thing applies to Lexiswapper B. If you run out of coins, don't worry. Just use the switcher to jump back to your native language. Finally, Lexiswappers can review each other's content and give helpful feedback in the native language. By helping others improve, you earn even more Lexicoins. As you can see here, since Lexiswapper B already shared content in the Language A space, Lexiswapper A can read their content. In addition to that, they can review it and provide feedback on it. By doing so, Lexiswapper A earns more Lexicoins. The exact same thing applies to Lexiswapper B. They can read Lexiswapper A's content in the Language B space and review it. So they can earn coins as well. Now that we've covered the concepts behind Lexiswap, let's put everything into practice. We'll follow Jonathan as he uses the platform, and you'll see how all of these ideas come together in a real-world example. Jonathan is from the United States, and he's currently learning 2 languages, French and Latin American Spanish. He already created 3 language varieties on his account. This allows him to teach his native language while learning the other 2. On his Language Varieties page, you can see the 3 varieties he has created. American English, which is his native language. Français métropolitain, the French variety he's learning. And Español Latinoamericano, the Spanish variety he's learning. Because Jonathan has created 3 language varieties, and as we explained earlier, Lexiswap automatically generated 3 separate portfolios for him, 1 for each language variety. Each portfolio contains all of his work and progress for that specific language variety. Right now, we're looking at his American English portfolio. One of the most important features of the platform is the Language Variety Switcher, also called the Space Switcher. You'll find it here at the top. It allows you to instantly switch from one language variety to another. For example, Jonathan can switch from American English to French, or to Latin American Spanish. As you can see, the entire interface changes to match the selected language variety. The menus, buttons, labels, and all of the content are now presented in that language variety, creating a fully immersive experience. Whenever he changes the selected language variety, the platform automatically takes him to that language variety's space, allowing him to focus entirely on a single language without mixing it with the others. Now let's explore the different types of content available on Lexiswap. At the moment, there are 3 main content types: posts, postbooks, and definitions. Let's look at each one. Posts. This is the Posts page. Here you'll find all kinds of short content shared by the community, including personal stories, everyday experiences, thoughts, opinions, and much more. Every post includes an audio recording from its author, allowing you to hear the correct pronunciation while you read.
Okay, so I was trying to order a coffee in Italian, and I accidentally asked for a hot dog instead of a hot drink.
If Jonathan switches to the French variety, he'll immediately see posts shared in French.
Vous savez, des fois, j'ai l'impression qu'apprendre une langue, c'est comme explorer un nouveau quartier. Au début, on se perd.
If he switches to the Latin American Spanish variety, he'll see content shared in Spanish. This makes it easy to immerse yourself in a single language at a time.
Hola a todos, espero que estén bien.
Postbooks. Next, let's look at postbooks. A postbook is simply a collection of related posts grouped together into a single learning experience. Instead of reading unrelated posts, learners can enjoy longer stories that are organized into chapters. Definitions. The next section is definitions. Here you'll find definitions of words, expressions, and phrases shared by native speakers. Just like posts, every definition includes an audio recording.
Chilling.
So you can hear exactly how the word or expression is pronounced.
Caffeinated.
You can think of it as a community-driven dictionary that's constantly growing as users contribute new entries. Conversations. Once you feel ready to practice or teach your native language, you can head over to the Conversations page. Simply set up your camera and headset, then click Start. Lexiswap will automatically match you with another user for a live, face-to-face conversation. Each conversation lasts 10 minutes and costs 10 Lexicoins. Wallet. Finally, let's take a quick look at the wallet page. As we mentioned earlier, Lexicoins are completely free to earn. Simply contribute to the platform by creating helpful content and participating in the community, and you'll receive Lexicoins in your wallet. You can then use those Lexicoins to start conversations and continue practicing with native speakers from around the world. Explore. Finally, let's take a look at the Explore page. If you want to discover the latest content across the entire platform, this is the place to go. Here, you'll find the newest posts, postbooks, and definitions all gathered in a single feed. Instead of visiting each section individually, you can simply browse the Explore page to discover fresh content from the community and jump straight into anything that catches your interest. On Lexiswap, we all grow together. Join us and exchange your world today.